Hello, Crystal Coast, and anyone else watching across my platforms. This is Beach Bum with Beach Bum's Weather, and today, on Wednesday, June 4th, 2025, we are looking at the tropics. And here's what the models are reading today. The GFS has just been wacky. Some parts of it aren't loading. Um, it's just not there today. We're not paying no mind to it. So going on past that, the Euro is showing a possible subtropical development, the same as the CMC and the Icon. And this subtropical development is looking like it's going to be around North Carolina, South Carolina. Um, Nothing's going to be named. It's going to bring some rain, thunderstorms, nothing that coastal Carolinas aren't used to, really. Moving ahead, looking at the water temps, and here we are. It's getting pretty warm out there across the Gulf. It's 27, 28 degrees Celsius, which is 82 degrees, 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Right here along the southern part of Florida, the water's really getting warm there on the east side, 82 degrees. Out in the Atlantic, a little bit further off coast, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And down in the northern part of the Caribbean, it is 84 degrees Fahrenheit. The waters are getting warm, great fuel for a tropical storm. This is the list of names to come this year. Hopefully, we do not see all 21 names. And remember, no matter what names are formed, does not mean they're all going to be major, does not mean they're all going to hit land. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully, none of these hit land. Let's go ahead and take a look at our models today. And here we are starting off with the Euro. As I said, we're not even going to pay attention to the GFS. So we're starting off Wednesday, June 4th, 2025. Let's move this forward. And here we see right around here, the around South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, rain development forming off the coast. It's moving north. Starting to see some thunderstorms pop up there off the South Carolina coast, possibly around between Myrtle Beach and Polly's Island. Moving on north, it's going through North Carolina, coming out to sea around the Outer Banks, and that's when we start seeing the possibility of some subtropical development right here. But as you can see, it's not going to do a whole lot to us as far as becoming a name storm or anything like that. It's moving north, getting into cooler waters, and there it disappears. We see some subtropical way south, down by South America, not looking like an issue. And that is running the Euro model from today, June 4th to June 10th. And that's all we're seeing out there. Around June 10th, or around Africa, we are starting to see a low form. So that may be something to watch. It may not be something to watch. Well, time will only tell on that. Moving to the CMC, starting off today, Wednesday, June 4th. Let's move it on forward. And as we can see, the thunderstorms, this is showing a lot more prominent thunderstorms tomorrow around the Myrtle Beach area, moving up towards Wilmington. And here we are, Friday, June 6th, and we are starting to see some subtropical right there. Again, it doesn't look like it's going to be much concern. It moves off northeast into the cooler water. We see a lot of thunderstorms moving in and rain around the Carolinas. And there's the CMC up to June 14th, and it's not even showing that low that the Euro was showing over here in Africa, so that's a good sign. Let's check out the icon. And the icon is starting off Wednesday, June 4th, 2025. And there we see a lot of rain, thunderstorms around South Carolina, dipping down to Georgia, northern tip of Florida. And here we are on the icon is showing this low forming a little bit more right here while it is still on land, some possible subtropical development. But as we move through Friday, June 7th, it quickly moves off and goes out into the colder water just like the other models are showing. As of right now, we're not real. There's that low, June 11th, forming off of Africa, still on Africa. So something to maybe watch. Two models are showing that low forming, the icon and the Euro, but it's still kind of early in the year, so hopefully it's really nothing to worry about. Now let's take a look at the upcoming. There we go. This low that's going to be forming off the Carolina coast here. This is June 4th at noon. Let's go ahead and play it out. As we can see, the rain is moving on up. At this time, we are at 1 p.m. almost on Eastern Standard Time while I'm recording this. Here we are at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. From here, let's move it out hour by hour. 11. And as we can see, as we move through the night, early morning Thursday. Moving on up, here's 10 a.m. This is about the time the subtropical development starts forming. Afternoon tomorrow. But as we can see, as it's forming, it is quickly moving itself northeast. We got some bright thunderstorms here, bright yellows and reds coming into Dare County. We'll be going into the Outer Banks. It looks like pretty much all the North South Carolina coast, Georgia coast is going to be getting some good thunderstorms out of this tomorrow. And as you can see, by June 12th, June 6th, Friday at noon, it's moved off the sea. So we're going to be dealing with about 24 hours of rain across the areas of, I would say, from Crystal Coast south to Georgia, probably looking around 24 hours of rain, off and on. Possible thunderstorms, could be some hail in there, who knows, especially here in North Carolina. We've been seeing a lot of that on the coast this year. So with that being said, we have a possibilities of subtropical forming tomorrow over South North Carolina coast. I'm not looking for it to be no newsmaker. It will be some thunderstorms, maybe a little bit of wind. So other than that, just keep checking back with our page. I don't do this page for money. I don't do it for views. I just want to get the safety stuff, the information out to y'all so you know how to prepare and to be safe out there. All the sources you can watch that tell you the truth is the better ways to go. So until tomorrow, all of you have a great day, and we will see you again.